Hello, welcome to Shailesh Mishra, and this is my channel which I call Take Health. Here I, try to make the tutorials of the things that I pretty much know. So recently a viewer asked me to make a video. Like he said, thank you for making me understand very easily. If you don't mind, can you please upload a video of how to do simulation of raindrop and sunset? So I said that. Yep, we will do that, but we didn't have time to do because I have other business to do and think about that first. So asked her. Her name is Rupa B Upadhyay, and I asked her to do this on Sunday evening, and she said yes, she can wait. So right now I'm gonna do, and actually I have done this kind of thing, like pretty much mess over here. So how this looks like, if I play this, it is actually I had to do it before doing this, because I used to do when I was in college, and since then it has been like 2.5 years. So I have to rethink of all the aspects that I was doing back then. So yeah, it is pretty much what I have done. So this is a simulation of raindrop and the sunset. So now I'm gonna delete everything from here, and almost everything, and getting something left. Yep, here it is. So like now I'm gonna delete almost everything. Delete layers, delete layers, delete layers, delete layers, and layers. Yes. So now we have a clean um, stage over here. This is what we call stage. So the first thing we do is like click here and insert a frame. Then what we do is like we go over the file manager where we have saved our footage. This is the all the images that we need to make this simulation make possible. So the first we want to import is this the mountain over the stage, and they said one or more uh, library item already exists in this document. Okay, so it is saying that I have already done the project on the same file, so I don't even have to import every time. I can just go into library and get back. But that makes a lot of mess for the new people who are trying to make. So I'm not going to do that. I just say uh, don't replace existing, or just replace existing to make it easy for you. So like this, we got the mountain. We check this street because I have just 5 minutes to do the first video, and then I will record the rest of the video in another shot. So this is we got the mountain. We don't have to do anything, but we can rename this file as mountain. Got it. And so the next thing is we have to import is sun, and uh, actually just press Ctrl plus Z one more time, one more time, because we have to select another layer for that. Like the same, we have the insert frame, and then now we have to insert the PNG file of the sun, and now we have to click on that to resize it because it's a pretty large one. And now we have almost done this like this. So we got our first sun. Rename it, and as we can see here is type 455. So then next thing will be next video. We can stop right here.